Here I have LARK Evolution X2 and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. First of all, let me start by holding a power key for a few seconds. From the phone's options, let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off. And in the next step, let's hold down together power key and volume up. So let's do it simultaneously for a couple of seconds. And release both keys as soon as boot mode pops up in front of you. As you can see here, you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So let's choose the Fastboot, the second option, and press volume down to confirm it. As you can see now, the device is in Fastboot mode, so you can use your desired mode, or you can simply quit it by wrong pressing power key. Let me show you. Keep holding power button and release power as soon as device goes black. Now the tablet is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, now you may use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.